Hello friends, how are you? I'm back with another informative videos. So today I have chosen the topic, or it's you know very common to the site when you are appointed as a civil engineer or as a site engineer for the first time. Then at that time, happened? What happened is that we should be asking in the interview or somewhere because we have to prepare a schedule, weekly schedule, monthly schedules, and look ahead schedule. So today topic is look ahead schedule, construction schedule. So how are you gonna prepare the look ahead schedule? So I'm going to discuss with you about the 2 week look ahead schedule. So why it is prepared on site, and why it is more important for the planning engineer or site engineer who is directing the site, who is overseeing the site, the construction activities on the site, and they want to keep track of all the works, whatever happening on site. So whether you are behind the schedule or ahead the schedule, so you have to track. And like we have a large number of activities, or we have a huge projects, and we have so many activities going parallelly on a site. So then you have to track the activities, which activities are happening, which activities being delayed, or what the possibility of being delayed on site. So if we prepare a weekly 2 week, like we all have a monthly schedule or yearly schedule or full baseline program schedule, but at some time, what happened? Your contractor, your project manager, or your consultant or client would tell you to, provide me a weekly schedule or 2 week look ahead programs. So at that time, it is important to prepare a look ahead construction schedule, because suppose we are going for a like meeting. We have a meeting at the beginning of this month, and we have to prepare a PowerPoint or whatever the scope of the work we are going to carry out on the site. So we should have some documents to show them. Then they will tell you to prepare a look ahead. So what all the activity, what are the activities you are going to carry out in this coming 2 weeks. So at that time we have to prepare the construction schedule. First of all, schedule. What is schedule? Is nothing but the time period of the projects or time period of the activities. You'll have a WS work breakdown structure. Suppose we have activities in activities A and B, and these activities going to take A activity is going to take 5 days or 3 days. So these are the schedule which is done by the software, and we'll be doing with the Excel. And I prepared some one sheet, so I'm going to share with you this sheet. It's a beautiful, and I think it's informative. Okay, 1 minute. So the topic is, as I said earlier, this is 2 week look at construction schedule. So this is the format. It's very simple, but when the moment we listen, because it happens with everyone, this is this topic, and I think this is more important for the fresher engineer, because it is not taught in the college, or we did not have listened such words also. So it's very confusion when somebody asks you to prepare a work schedule or to prepare a weekly schedule or to look at it, but it's very simple. But when you understood the concepts, what is schedules and why it is important to prepare, so simple thing is we have to track the activities, whichever whatever is going on your side, activity record of the construction activities. So very simple. You prepare as your requirements. So what are the information you required to put on your schedule? So first of all, you write your contractor name, the contractor who is the contractors. So it may be anyone, or XYZ construction. You can put So you can add consultant or CSI or rookie. So whoever maybe the your contract consultant, you might put client name also. So more important is to prepare the activities in a sequence order, or give the information like you write your project name, hospital, building, construction. You can put the today's date, or like a date, so for month or date, which month you write. But basically we prepare this at the beginning of the month. So December. So you can write as usual project phase, it's in the beginning phase or it is in the middle phase, or what kind of phase you are in. So it is not required, or it may require as per your requirements. So you can put that name, or you can add something else phase like mid phase. So suppose you might have carrying some works which was left over in the previous month, and you are you know accumulating those activities because you might have scheduled for last month, we did not completed it, and so it's coming on. So you can add the phase. Then project manager, or who is the project manager, because we may require to submit your contractor project manager, or to consultant project manager, or employer who is the client. So we'll write write the name. So more important is now we have to right, to fill the forms like this. You can also take the printout of this form, or we can input, you can put everything in a schedule, like in a Excel prepared. Then first of all, like schedule ID, then construction activity. Suppose we have earthwork, ARTH, earthwork in work in excavation. Suppose earthwork in excavation would take uh, it would take 10 days, right? 10 days. And suppose this works is coming from the last previous month, or you can also where Monday, Tuesday, so you can write schedule ID, construction activity, duration, and that week name, Monday, Sunday, Monday, or which is the working day. You can write the working days, like our week start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And again Saturday, Sunday would be the holiday or anything. So you can put basically at the side. It keeps on going. So write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So this is the 2 week program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. And suppose this earthwork in excavation would continue for 10 days, right? So you go to the insert button. You can make it more attractive, whatever you want. So you go to the insert and click the link shape, and consider this shape one, and put like this. Suppose this is going to you can make it black. You can take black color, and also weightage. You can put the make thickness as per your requirement, how you want to prepare all these things. So suppose these are the earthwork in excavation. Similarly, so I soling work, whatever the activities you have on your side for anything, for any structure part, maybe it may be building foundation or anything, you can write those name in a project name, or you can write in main heading also. So suppose this would take 7 days, right? And this is going to, suppose this work is going to start from and third of this week. So you write insert, go to the consider 7 days. So this would come here. So click, can increase the thickness to the thickness you require, right? Similarly, pieces you work, first of all write the, okay, pieces you work, then rebar laying, then okay, form work, then sewer, concrete, concrete pouring, concrete pouring. So suppose we have these activities and it's happening on this week. So in a similar way, we can enter and can write in a similar way. Like PCCO could take 2 days, rebar work will take 3 days. Suppose this was take 5 days, then farm work 5 days, concrete pouring 3 days. So you can make it so. And if you have a concrete pouring, then we have ground beam. Suppose it would take 14 days, so you can, so in this way we can prepare the 2 week look at construction schedule. And so, and suppose we have completed so far these activities like 20%, it may be 25 or 10%. So you can write the percentage of completion. Like this activities might be coming from your previous month, so you might have completed those activities because you have to update it daily, no? So suppose this is the activities, and at the end of you will track, or after the 2 weeks, we're gonna track whether we have completed this work or not, how much we have completed in these 2 weeks. So at the end of this week, we can write like what it could be, anything, 20%, 25%, 10%, or it may be 100%. So you completed 100% completed or not. So we can write it at the situation of a construction activities, whether it completed, you could not complete. So we can mention also that. 70%. So resources, what all the resources you had, or whether you have complete resources or not. So it could be manpower, yes, manpower, or you know, not enough. So our resources, whether you have or not, so you can put it in this way, or comments, you can write the comments, because suppose we could not completed our target was to complete all those works in this 2 weeks, but we could not complete it, we completed only 20%. So you can also mention the reason, comments. So what was that, why you could not complete your activities on this duration. So you can also mention like lack of materials, or and not enough, not enough manpower. So you can write, so and sense of engineer. So you can list the comments, or whether you found it good or not, what's your comments, or whether. So this we can conclude, and we can add. So this is very good. I think we have to track the construction schedule, and we can present your progress in a similar way. So this is very informative. I think you found it also informative. So if you like these videos, or you have understood the concept, if you have not understood, if you have any doubts, please you can comment me below, and I will surely try to reply you. And whether you need any assistance, especially to the fresher engineer, or whoever is struggling with the civil engineering documentation at the initial phase, like if you are a fresh civil engineer or site engineer, you are posted at the site, or so you can also always seek help, because you have to be attached with the engineers or to your seniors. So it's there is no same anything asking for the help. So please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, my videos, whether you are liking or not. So please comment me below down. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and that's all.